Have you heard of this term ATS? Well, there's a lot of noise around it, but I'll tell you exactly what it is. An ATS is an application tracking software. Have you heard your friends, colleagues, or hiring managers saying ki, I have put my resume through an ATS, I had looked at the ATS for a resume. Is this an ATS certified resume? Well, even if you Google it, you'll find like multiple sources of information around it. Well, to break it down, this is not an ATS certified resume. This is. So, let me tell you what an ATS does. An ATS does a lot more than just parse your resume. It stores candidature information, it gives analysis to the hiring manager or the recruiting manager. It is used by companies to basically manage their entire talent management pool. They have old resumes, they have current resumes, they have resumes of people they've hired, and they also have like a complete subset of what the skills look like as whosoever is so in their organization and where they're lacking. So an ATS just not used to parse resume, there are multiple benefits to it. But when organizations become bigger and grow larger, they do need an ATS to kind of streamline their processes, because manually it is not possible to skim through hundreds and hundreds of resumes a day. So what we do at BYOB is we ensure that if your resume goes through an ATS or if it goes through a regular individual, both of them are actually taken care of. If you look at this resume, it's clean, white spaces are even, it has all the keywords, it has all the experiences, very short to the point. And ATS likes this because it parses it according to the sections in a resume. It'll take away the skills to show an analysis. Suppose you are heavy on marketing, it'll probably give you a 93% score. And when you go online and like find a random colorful template like this, what happens is your resume does not get parsed because it does not read the image, it does not read the color, it does not see a lot of sections in it because they are not clearly segmented. Having even white spaces is super important also, by the way. So go for these boring templates because they have a higher chance of you getting hired, and humans also like to read this. So I hope that clarifies what an ATS is. Keep following us and liking our content, and you'll soon figure out a lot about how resumes are designed, how LinkedIn's are designed, and what all other jargons the recruitment industry uses.